This is our next little project. What we have here is a router and a vise, and what happens is that we have some wood is that we have a piece of wood, and that can go into the vise, and the vise is bolted down, of course, and you can drop that down to a fixed height like that, and then operate that as a wood mill. And what we used it for in the past is to make pistol grip blanks. A little bit slow, but I don't think I'll be making any more pistol grips, so what I'm going to do is just try and restore it back to original. As you can see, it's pretty rough, rusted a bit, so what I'm going to do is just plod along and restore it. You can see the rust on there, so that's our plan.